press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, we will continue our discussion in 5-digit numbers. We already solved one example in the previous class for writing place value chart and expanded form. I hope you all are practiced well. So let us take example 2 now. Here write 3 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 9 into 1 in standard form. Here also they are asking for standard form. So while writing the standard form, first you have to solve these numbers. 3 into 10,000 will become 30,000. Is it clear? That is 30,000. 0 into 1000. If you multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0 only. If you multiply 0 on 100, the answer is 0. And 4 into 10. 4 into 10 will become 40. 9 into 1 is 9. Is it clear? This standard form ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ, in the example 1, you are writing only numbers in all the terms. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, ಝೀರೋನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋದ್ರಿ. Here you will write, here we don't have any number as 0 only, so you will write 0 here. Here also we have 0. Next we have 4. Next digit we have 9. So the answer is 30,049. Is it clear? Don't skip these zeros. ನೀವು ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 349. ನೀವು ಈ ಝೀರೋಸ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 349. It will become 349. You have to write these zeros. Is it clear? How to write in standard form. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ 30,049. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us go for next topic, that is greatest and smallest 5-digit number. You already learned greatest and smallest 4-digit number. You already learned. Let us take greatest and smallest 5-digit number. So formation of, next topic, formation of greatest and smallest 5-digit number. Let us take one example how to write smallest and greatest digit number. Example 1. Form the greatest and smallest 5-digit numbers using digits 9, 4, 6, 1, 3. New question ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀರಿ. I'll just explain the answers only. So example 1, I'll write question for one question only. Form the greatest and smallest 5-digit number. Five-digit number by using digits 9, 4, 6, 1, 3. By using these 5 digits, you have to write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number. Let us discuss how to write the greatest digit first. Greatest number. While writing the greatest number, first you have to compare the numbers You have to compare and you have to pick the bigger number first. You have to arrange the number in descending order. ನೀವು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು choose the bigger number first. Say in the given digit, which is the greatest number or which is the biggest number? Here we have 9 as biggest number, right? So you can take 9 first. After 9 remaining 4, 6, 1, 3, which is the greatest? Among these 4, 6 is the greatest. So we will write 6. So in 4, 1, 3, which is the greatest? We have 4. 4 is completed. Next, among 1 and 3, 3 is greatest. And next we have 1. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ descending order. Descending order means you have to arrange the number from biggest to smallest. ಈಗ descending order ಇದೆ 9, 6, 4, 3, 1. After checking for descending order, you have to put comma. So which is the greatest number? 96,431 is the greatest number. Let us know how to write the smallest number. So smallest number means first you have to choose the smallest numbers first, lesser number. Among these 5 digits, 1 is the least digits. Compare ಮಾಡಿ first smaller numbers ನ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. After 1, 4, 6, here we have 3 is the smallest number. Among 9, 4, 6, which is the smallest? 4 is the smallest. So next, among 9 and 6, 6 is the smallest. Next we have 9. This is the ascending order of numbers, is it not? This is the ascending order of number. While writing smallest number, you will arrange the numbers in ascending order. So here 13,469 is the smallest 5 digit number. Is it clear? What they are telling? Without repeating them. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅರೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 numbers, just check here smallest number is just a reverse of greatest number. See here in the last we have 1, here in the first we have 3, just it is in the reverse order. 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, both are here. Smallest number is just a reverse of greatest number. Is it clear? So let us take one more example. That is example 2. Form the smallest 5 digit number by using digits 4, 8, 0, 2, 5 without repeating them. So what you will do? They are asking only for smallest number. As we already learned, while writing the smallest number, you have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means you have to choose first smallest numbers. Is it not? Smallest number na ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀರಿ. Ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first you have to choose the smallest number. Among the given digits, which is the smallest? 0 is the smallest. Is it not? 0 is the smallest. No? After 0 we have 4, 8, 2, 5. 2 is the smallest number. So let us take 2. Next we have 4. Next 4 is the least. After 4 compare 5 and 8. 5 is the smallest. Next we have 8. Check for ascending order 0, 2, 4, 5, 8. This is in the ascending order. So if you write the number now, here ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಝೀರೋನ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆನ್ ಝೀರೋ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್, ಝೀರೋ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 2458. Is it clear? The answer is 2458. What they are asked in the question is, they are asking form the smallest 5-digit number, but here it is becoming 2458. Is it clear? 2458. This is a 4-digit number. Is it clear? This is a 4-digit number, but we have to write the 5-digit number. So at that time what you will do, you will just interchange these two numbers 0 and 2. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 4-digit ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ 5-digit ನಂಬರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ 4-digit ನಂಬರ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ 5-digit ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ 0 and 2. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್, smallest number is 20,458. Now we have 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. Remember, when 0 ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, at that time you will just interchange 0 and next which number we have. You have to just interchange the number and you have to form the smallest 5-digit number. Is it clear? How to write the smallest number when we have 0. So let us go for next topic. Next topic we have preceding and succeeding numbers. Preceding and succeeding 5-digit number. Or you can say formation of preceding and succeeding of 5-digit number. Let us think what is meaning of preceding and succeeding. Preceding you can call it as predecessor also. Predecessor you can call succeeding as successor. Succeeding number ನಾವು successor ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. preceding number predecessor ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Let us think what is preceding and what is succeeding. If you take one example, 4, 5, 6. ಈಗ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ 3 ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 4. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 4 ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ 3. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 3 ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 5 is succeeding or successor of 4. You can say 5 is a successor. Succeeding ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರು, ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1. ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1. ಸಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ 1. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ +1 to 4, it will become 5. That is a succeeding number. If you subtract from 1, we will get 3. That is a preceding number. Let us solve some examples. At that time you will get clear with what are preceding and what are succeeding number. Preceding number I just write in short form preceding number and the number, and next the succeeding number. What are preceding numbers? 1 less than the number, 1 less than the number, 1 less than the number, that means before number. Succeeding number is just reverse of preceding number, that is 1 more than the number. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸರ್. ಲೆಟ್ us take some examples. First we will write the numbers in the center column, that is 83,653, 25,048, next 46,790 and 20,000. So let us write preceding and succeeding numbers. So 83,653 preceding number ಏನಂದ್ರೆ you have to just subtract from 1. If you subtract from 1 you will get 653 ಇರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, just it will become 652. 83,652. Is it clear? If you want succeeding number you just add 1. 83,000 after number what we have? 83,653. After we have 83,654. Is it clear? Let us take next 25,048. 48 ಗಿಂತ before ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 47. That is 25,047. That is a preceding number. Next we have next number means 25,049. Is it clear? Next we have 46,790. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ನನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ 46,790 from 1. If you subtract, see here, if you take borrow, if you subtract 1 from 10 it will become 9. Here it will become 8. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಿಸೀಡಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಆವಾಗ you can do like that. If you subtract it will become 46,789. Or else you know before 790 we have 789. So the preceding number is 46,789. After number what we have? 46,790 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 46,791. This is a succeeding number. Let us write preceding number for 20,000. Here also 20,000 ನಮಗೆ preceding number ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 19,999. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ you can solve. Let us solve here. If you subtract 20,000 from 1, ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು. If you take borrow it will become 10 here. See, if you subtract we will get 19,999. What we will get? 19,999. So the preceding number of 20,000 is 19,999. Is it clear? After number 20,000, after 20,000 we have 20,001. Is it clear how to write the preceding and succeeding number? Remember, preceding number means you have to subtract from 1. If you have to subtract from 1 from the given number. For succeeding number you have to add 1. This is a very simple topic. Let us go for next topic, that is skip numbers. is our next topic, that is skip numbers. What is skip numbers? Skip ಅಂದರೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. You learnt, you already heard. Skipping is just jumping. Let us take one example to learn what are skip numbers. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1, that is 23,450 and 23,700. Next we have 23,950. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ these blanks, first we have to learn the relationship between these 3 numbers. Once if we conclude the relationship between these 3 problems, you can easily write those numbers which are blank. Is it clear? ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಿ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 23,450. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 23,700. ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 23,450 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 23,700 ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let us take the difference between these two. That is difference between 23,700 and 23,450. So how much it will become? 23,700 and 23,450. If you subtract, you will get, if you take borrow, it will become fine. Here we will get the difference as 250. We have to subtract 23,700 and 23,450. The difference is 250. Difference is 250. Here the skip number is 250. Let us take the difference between these two now. Let us see difference between 23,950 and 23,700. How much it will become? If you subtract 23,700 and 23,950, if you subtract, you will get 250. Once again you will get 250. Now you can say the difference between these all numbers will be 250 only. By analyzing this concept, we can fill the remaining blanks. Say, let us write, if you first you will write 23,450. 23,450 na ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ if you add 250 add ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. if you add 250 you will get 23,700. if you add, you will get 23,700. 23,700 here, if you will add again 250, you will get 23,950. Is it clear? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತನಕ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. 23,950. ಹಿಯರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ again 250. Let us check how much it will. If you will add 23,950 with 250, how much it will become? 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 2 is 12, 3 plus 1, 4, here 2. The answer is 24,200. Is it clear? The answer is 24,200. ನಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ನಾವು ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ವಿತ್ 250. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ವಿತ್ 24,200 with 250, let us see how much it will become. Two plus 2, 4. Here 24. The answer is 24,450. Is it clear? In the next blank, you will write 24,450. Is it clear how to solve this type of problems? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಐದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಡಿಷನ್. ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ 250 ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 250 ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ 250 ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, and this number will add again 250. Here 24,200, next 24,450 is the answer for this question. Is it clear? Don't get confused. This is very easy. First you have to just check the relations between the first two numbers. Let us take one more example. Write the skip number for the following: 25,017 and 35,017 and 65,017. See, first you have to find the relation between these two. What you will do? You take the difference between 35,017 and 25,017. How much it will become? So let us do subtraction. 35,017 and 25,017. Just you will subtract 7 from 7, 0, 1 from 1, 0, 0 from 0, 5 from 5. If you subtract, it will become, the difference will become 10,000. What is the difference between 25,000 and 35,017? Will become 10,000. Now you can easily fill these two blanks. So let us see how to write those numbers. First we'll write 25,017. If you add 10,000, it will become 35,017. Is it clear? They are already given in the question. Now you have to fill this blank. What you will do? You will just add 10,000 to 35,017. How much it will become? You have to add just 10,000 only. If you add, it will become 35,017. Sorry, it will become 45,017. Here we have 25,017. Here we have 35,017. Next we got as 45,017. What you will do? Again you will add plus 10,000 to 45,017. What it will become? You can easily say, after 45 we have 55, right? See, if you add 10,000, it will become, again 4 plus 5 is 5. So what it will become? 55,017. Is it clear? 55,017. So next they are already mentioned in the question. That is, if you add if you add 10,000 to 50, 5,017, it will become 65,017. Is it clear how to solve these type of problems? First you have to take the difference. Let us discuss next topic, that is identify the smallest and greatest 5-digit numbers. Thank you students. We will discuss identifying the greatest and smallest 5-digit number in the next class.